Hi friends, welcome to Safna's cookbook. Today I'm here with kids' all-time favorite chicken nuggets. This crispy nuggets is a healthier version for snack box than packed one. So let's see the ingredients needed for making this. 300 grams of chicken cut into small pieces. Seasoning 3/4 teaspoon. Pepper powder half teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 3/4 tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Kashmiri chilli powder 3/4 teaspoon. For coating chicken pieces we need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons and 1 egg. First we will marinate chicken pieces with all spice powders. For that we have taken this in a bowl. Add seasoning and pepper powder. To this we can add Kashmiri chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, ketchup, mix everything well so that all chicken pieces are evenly coated with the spices. Add salt. We can marinate this for 30 minutes up to 2 hours. Now we can give coating. Take one chicken bite, roll in maida, dip it in beaten egg, roll in breadcrumbs, place them in a white plate. Repeat the same step until all chicken bites are breaded. After finishing the coating, we can freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes for the breadcrumbs to stick well to the chicken pieces. Let's start frying the chicken bites. For that, heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot enough, gently drop chicken pieces. Don't crowd the pan with many chicken bites at one time. Fry them in batches. Also, please don't stir them for about a minute, otherwise the breadcrumbs may disperse in oil. Keep stirring after a minute or two for even frying. Deep fry till it become crispy and golden brown in color. Our chicken nuggets are ready. Serve hot with ketchup, sauce or any other dip. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.